Very good morning, children. As we have started lesson number 8, conditional control statements. In this chapter, we will be learning QBasic and conditional control statements of QBasic. Before we begin with conditional control statements, that is the statements which are used for giving conditions in the program, before that we should know two words very nicely. We need to understand two words, that is constants and variables. When we talk about constants are constant. The meaning of word constant is that something which remains same or which does not change. That is constant. So constants are the values that do not change during execution of a program. That is, when the program is executed, that value which does not change is called constant. And as it is given here that constants are of two types. First is numeric constant and second is character constants. Numeric constants are the constants which contains integers, real constants, integers, positive or negative numbers without any fractional part. Numeric means related to numbers. Okay, some examples are given here, that is 12, 234, minus 786, etc. These are all examples for constants, real constants. And the fractional parts examples for numeric constants are 75.5, 46.25 and etc. So first word which is constant, and the meaning of constant is which remains same, means does not change during the execution of program. Two types of numeric constants, and two types of numeric constants are integer and real constants. Alright children, examples also we have seen. Another type of constants, that is character constant. When we say character constants, a constant which contains characters or alphabets, those are called character constants. In character constant, it could be any example. Suppose if I want to write computer, so that is character constant. Why? Because computer, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer, this spelling is character, and so that constant is character constant. Let me give you example. Suppose if I say x is equals to 10. Here in this equation 10 is constant. And what type of constant? Numeric constant. Okay, 10 is numeric constant. If I give you another example, say x is equals to, suppose if I write book, value of k is book. Now book is not a numeric constant, it is character constant. Here we have to remember one thing, that whatever character we are writing, that character or that those all alphabets will be written in inverted commas, in inverted quotes. Okay, so one more change will be here for character constant, that is we have to write here $sign. So these two changes will be there for character constants. Now when we talk about variables, Just now I gave you example x is equals to 10. Here 10 is constant, but what is x? X is a variable. Variable means where the value will keep changing. That is variable. Alright. Same way, variables are also of two types, numeric variables and string variables. When we say numeric variables, the simple example that I gave you, x is equals to 10. So here x is numeric variable. And when I gave you another example, that is x dollar is equals to book. Here in this equation, x dollar is string variable. So this format also you have to keep in mind. Always you have to keep in mind that when simply you are assigning a value, numeric value to a variable, it will be like this: x is equals to 10 or y is equals to 100 or z is equals to 23 or whatsoever. If you are assigning characters, that is if you are assigning any sort of alphabets, any spelling, in that case you have to keep in mind that very first thing is that dollar sign will be used along with the variable, and whatever constant you are writing, that constant will be in the inverted commas. That is x dollar is equals to inverted commas book. I hope these words are very much clear to you now, that is constants and variables. Two types of constants: numeric constant, character constants, and variables. Two types of variables: numeric variables and string variables. I have already showed you the format, in what way or in what format you will follow or you will write down the variables and constants, whether it is numeric variable or string variable, or whether it is numeric constant or character constant. Hope it is very much clear to you, children. Thank you very much.